April showers bring May shopping, and boy did I get a lot of stuff in May. Yay! Okay guys, we're gonna start with something that I opened this morning because I was too excited. Dun 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 dun. It's like giving birth. Ah! This is the cutest little bag. They call it the phone tote, but it's just like a little, kind of like a shopping bag. Look at the detailing on that. It's like vintage lace. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Okay, make new friends. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Oh, I love it. Okay. Yes. Oh my God, these are unbelievable. Oh my God, I love them. Look at how beautiful the cherry red with the cherry red back. Oh, so sexy. Do you love them, George? Now that's what I'm talking about. $300 on Poshmark, you guys. Steal. Oh, okay guys, look at how big and funny this package is. This is so exciting. These are, well, you'll see what these are in 1 second after I unbox them. And ta-da-da! This is the most luxurious little pillow I've ever seen. I'm obsessed with it. Ta-da! These are pillows for my couches. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, I love them. So I had a really nice lady on Etsy make me these, but I sent her like the vision. I sent her the tassels, I sent her the fabric. I literally did everything except sew them, but aren't they cute? Thrilling. Like I said, this is what excites you when you're 31. I'm still getting zits though. Can you believe this? This is like it better. It was 14 times bigger than this the other day. It's crazy. Huh. Okay, so what's in here? You guys actually saw me wear the other day in my month in my life vlog. I hope you guys liked that. It was really fun for me to film it. But anyways, wait till you guys see what's in here. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh, it's beautiful. Well, I usually never wear anything that's this long, but what do you guys think? Isn't it beautiful? It really looks like a real Cinderella dress. I am 16 going on 17 upon a dream. So yeah, I wore that to the ballet gala. It was so beautiful. I really just felt like a little princess in it. The princess dress, my princess bag, and my princess shoes. This chair is so small, it really doesn't fit much, but voila, look at the aesthetics of that. Gorgeous. So I also got something else. Are you ready to see what it is? Guys, I never even realized this. There's a tiny little hole in there, perfect for hanging hangers. So, ta-da! This is my little new dress, which I'm not gonna lie. As you know, I would not usually buy something this conservative. However, look at this, you guys. I look so classy. Like, you guys, this is, sorry that my laundry machine is going. I really shouldn't have this on in the middle of filming my video, but I think this is the most covered up I've ever been. Me without my boobs out. A recession indicator. I also got some not so conservative dresses. Oh, do you guys know what this is? This is a really famous Instagram brand, Mirror Police. And this is, oh my God. And this is the famous Starlight dress. Woo! Look at the fabric. On, this dress looked absolutely insane. Oh my gosh, look at this. So that's definitely going to be an Instagram photo. Stay tuned. Gorgeous. There's a reason it's Instagram famous. Because wow. Chanel ASMR. Okay, so la 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 la. I guess it's not ASMR if I sing, but whatever. Okay. Oh, I'm messing it up already. La 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 la. Now that is a cool sneaker. Look at that, guys. Half off. On, they look like this. Transition. Woo! Look at these. I feel like an athlete. Not really, but again, my bathrobe is really cramping the vibe of like how cool and sporty these are, but they definitely are very cool kicks. Okay guys, breaking news. In the middle of this video, I just got a package. Look at this. Oh! You guys already know the gold pair necklace is already here, but guys, look. The silver version just came in. Oh my gosh, per popular demand. I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Guys, look, also as a bonus. Oh my God, I've been talking about doing this forever. Look, the first yellow sample came in. Look at how gorgeous. It's adjustable in the back, so you can make it shorter or longer if you want. And do you guys see that on there? That says 333. This is actually kind of a spin on a Marilyn Monroe necklace. Like, she had this very famous, gorgeous, huge yellow pair upside down necklace. So this is kind of my version of that. Perfect canary yellow stone. Not to mention pennies compared to this one I always wanted to buy on First Dibs. The silver and the gold are officially in stock, and here the yellow one is on pre-order. Those will ship in about 30 days. I'm thinking like probably July 19th or something like that. So stay tuned. Enjoy being pretty princesses. You're gonna love them. I also got another package in the mail just now. Did you hear? Did you hear the doorbell ring? Oh, hell yeah, Amazon, let's go. As you already know, I really do get packages all day long. Oh yeah, here we go, Long Nail Nation. Oh yay, let's see what these are like. I'm so curious. Oh yeah. LOL, do you know what this is, George? Hi. So these are basically fake Chanel flats. Real bag, fake shoes. No one's gonna know but George and, well, all of you, but that's okay. Don't tell anyone. So I also got these. Another Amazon shoe dupe. You guys already saw my super viral real Christian Louboutin ballerina heels, which by the way, there's some good dupes of those on Amazon too at the moment, if you're not trying to spend $2,000 on them. However, I went to the store the other day to try on the flat version of them and was like, oh my God, these are so cute, but I don't want to spend $800 on shoes that I'm gonna wear around Europe. So, ta-da! Look at that. Pretty cute, right? You know, not bad as the flat version. All right, guys, I also got this dress. Also House of CB. However, I got this actually on Depop. Oh, it's so pretty, George. Do you like it? With the yellow necklace and with the dress in the ballroom. Well, I really feel like Belle. I really do feel like Belle. Also, you guys, by the way, you will not believe, like I said, I bought this dress on Depop, which is like literally just from random people. I actually do have my real name as my username on there, which I probably shouldn't have. However, how funny is this? Yeah, anyways, if you happen to be a size extra small and have stuff that I like, odds are I be shopping, so I probably will buy something from you at some point. Small world. Ta-da! Here is what we got. Oh, what the hell? Come on, this was supposed to be glamorous. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, look at these, you guys. Swarovski crystal sunglasses. Look at that. Woo! Iconic. Unbelievable. Love it. Iconic. Also, like you saw in the vlog, I go to like influencer events a lot because I am an influencer. So these were actually a gift at a Sunglass Hut event. I buy a lot of stuff, but I also get a lot of stuff for free. It's like I don't spend any money at all. Girl math. Okay, so next, you guys also saw this whole vlog is just basically turning into me talking about my other vlog, but you guys saw me go to Too Faced. Obviously I got a lot of stuff from there. You're not even gonna believe all the stuff we got from Too Faced. So here's like 5% of what we picked up. You guys know my favorite eyeliner in the world, my signature Better Than Sex eyeliner. Guys, it really is better than sex, or at least will lead to sex when you do your eyeliner this good. Literally so much stuff, crazy. So you saw in Mexico City, my friend Nicole, who's getting married, got us a little party favor. So what was actually in here was, ta-da! I love Gucci makeup because it just has such beautiful packaging. It's so vintage looking. It's really cool. So voila, we got some highlighter there. Then we got the lip gloss. So beautiful. Okay, you guys, this next thing is not a tangible object, but guess what I bought? I'm telling you right now, you're gonna wanna like, comment, subscribe, because on June 21st, I bought tickets to an event I've been wanting to go to since I found out it existed. Do you know what it is? I'm going to the Versailles Grand Masked Ball. Once a year, Versailles closes down and literally like throws a Marie Antoinette style old party. It is my dream. Destined to go. So pack your bags, we're going to Paris and we're going to the Grand Masked Ball. Obviously I'm vlogging and obviously that means I have to buy a dress. So you guys saw me trying stuff on in the costume store the other day. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I'm thinking something like this. This is what I wanna get. I'm not sure how to make that, but also it's me, so obviously DIY, I'm gonna make something. Kind of like a glamorous real spin on my Marie Antoinette costume. Stay tuned for that. Yay, yay, yay. In here, I actually rarely go to Abercrombie. However, I saw something really good in there the other day, so ta-da! You guys know, of course, I'm a Lakers fan because I'm an LA girly, but isn't this a great sweatshirt? It's huge, so soft, and makes a very fire casual fit. You know, for when you don't really want to get dressed and you want to wear pajamas outside, this is perfect. I have all sorts of fancy gowns, but this is what I wear on 90% of the time.
Okay, so the next thing, you guys remember the Gucci skirt, the one that was really, really long? I said I was going to hem it. Update, because guess what? I picked it up from the tailor yesterday.
Ta-da! Now it's done. Unbelievable. So hot. P.S. You guys are always asking where I get my corsets. All of my corsets are pretty much samples, actually. I'm trying to start a corset line. I'm on it. Don't worry. I'm having samples made. It's just taking so long. However, when it's done, it's gonna be perfect. So, stay tuned. I'm doing YouTube videos, I'm starting corset lines, I'm starting shoe lines, I'm doing my jewelry. There's just so much going on. That's why I don't really know how to vlog that well. My camera's shaky. It's because I'm overcommitted on everything. However, speaking of, obviously my own things, you already know 333 takes up a ton of my time. I got the most unbelievable samples in the mail the other day. Look at these. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is the most beautiful dang thing in history. Oh.
So this is the yellow diamond tennis necklace. Based on these multi-million bajillion dollar necklaces that I've always wanted, I designed this to look just like it, but even better because with fake stones, it can be even bigger and more beautiful.
And look at this, you guys. Oh, little yellow diamondy studs. Look at how gorgeous. Oh my God, these came out perfect. So these are little canary yellow studs. These are unbelievable. They look so good.
Look at how cute they are. Ugh.
So the earrings and the necklace are available for pre-order. I think this is one of the best things I've ever done. Oh. And the full amount of these finally came in. So the radiant rings and the Asher rings are officially available, no longer on pre-order. They are here right now. P.S. I don't know if you guys even noticed, but in case you were wondering, the biggest thing that I bought this month was I spent a tiny fortune on, look at that, perfect, literally, teeth. You guys couldn't really actually tell because I always light my face very specifically, and like my lips are honestly so big you can't really see my teeth. But my teeth were really short, really ground down, and very turned in actually. I never had braces, so they were just like my natural teeth.
Like here's some better before photos of them up close. You can see they just, I mean, this is what my teeth really looked like when I wasn't framing them specifically for camera.
So I got something called composite bonding. It's basically like getting acrylic nails on your teeth. So basically they just added a little bit of material on the bottom of all of my teeth to make them a little rounder and a little longer. So ta-da! What do you guys think? Look at that, isn't that crazy? I have like perfect teeth now. Now I got a movie star perfect smile. What do you guys think? Anyways, my teeth are still under there. If I ever decide to take this off, they're still perfectly intact. If any of you guys have questions or are interested, I'll talk more about it in another video. Nothing I do is a secret. I'm happy to tell you about whatever. But anyways, that's just, that's a loose update. And that is what I bought in May. I'm so excited to Paris and go to the ball. Oh my gosh. See you guys in June. And yes, that means obviously there's going to be some Paris shopping sprees. I'm going to roll through London. I'm even going to roll through DC for the 4th. So I'm going to be all over the place. But I will see you guys very soon. I love you. Kisses till next time. XO. I just thought you guys would like to know that I just finished filming this and am currently sitting on my phone shopping online for Paris and things to wear. So yeah, just so you know, I really am a dedicated shopper. What I bought in June about to be lit.